Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustle Reliance. On my channel we're focused on helping the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. I'm always on the lookout for new and exciting ways to earn some easy money online. Recently one of my close friends from the YouTube space known as Digital Farming Network told me about the application known as CoinApp. So this is a crypto platform where you earn real money passively by playing a game and geomining. However, in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money passively with this game without doing any interaction. This application is actually available globally. As always, I've left a link in the description to CoinApp if you want to give it a go. To maximize your earnings from CoinApp, you're going to need a few things. First off, you need 2 different devices, whether that be Android or iOS. You need 2 pairs of headphones and 2 charging cables. Now it's time to get started. So I'm now going through the sign up process. I'm going to go through and I'm going to complete the tutorial, and it's going to show me loads of different things about the application, as well as introduce myself to the cryptocurrency known as XYO, which is what you'll be earning through the CoinApp. At first glance, you may be wondering, how can I earn passively with CoinApp? Well, it's actually really simple. To unlock the passive earning opportunity on CoinApp, you just need to mine on the spot 15 times. Yeah, that's it. Just mine on the spot for 15 times and you will unlock a mode called Auto Explore. Once you've done that, the fun begins and you can start to earn some easy passive income. Once Auto Explore mode is unlocked, to start earning passively, go to Settings and then enable Screen Lock to prevent your device from auto locking when not charging, and turn on Auto Ads and then plug in some headphones and then you'll just start to earn passively. You would then repeat this same process on the second device you're going to be using, and then every time an audio ad plays, you will earn XYO tokens. And it's very similar to how Mode Music used to work when that used to pay out. To increase your earnings further, check airdrops as well as HODL rewards within the CoinApp every single day. One thing to note though, unfortunately you can't run THX with CoinApp, but you can run the other data sharing applications like Honeygame, Peer to Profit, EarnApp to boost your daily income from this one device.
1 week later.
So now you've been running the application a few days, you may be thinking, how do I cash out? First off, you need to hit 10,000 coins within the application to even think about it. And your account needs to be older than 14 days.
You're not old enough yet.
Or 14 days after your last cash out. And then simply fill in your details. You will earn $5 for every 10,000 coins earned. As we are running 2 different devices, we're going to need 2 different payment methods. I recommend cashing out directly to Coinbase for one of the methods, and then the other one, I recommend using an external wallet address. For this wallet address though, you can just use the XYO wallet address from Coinbase and that'll work fine. But there is a 1,000 coin fee when actually doing it this way. So I personally run this application 24/7, 365 days, and I make around $20 a month in passive income from CoinApp. You can then choose on how you want to handle this XYO token. So you can either keep it or you can trade it for something else on Coinbase. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor and I can't advise you what to do, but personally, I always transfer that into Litecoin and store it in an external platform like Nexo. Anyways, that is exactly how you can earn $20 a month with CoinApp. These applications are next level, they're easy to run, and you can easily earn $240 a year from playing these games. All the links mentioned are in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys real soon.